guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious bourbon glaze whole chicken. Now I already went ahead and washed and prepped the chicken, and for the seasonings I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, chicken seasoning, bouillon, some sazon, complete seasoning, and some black pepper. Basically what you want to do is just combine all of your seasonings, mix really well and set aside. Then we'll go ahead and generously coat the chicken with some oil just to help the seasoning to stick, and then we'll go in with a seasoning. Make sure that it's nicely marinated. You want to leave the skin, get up in there, all the parts that you can get into, you want to put that seasoning in there. Make sure that it's well marinated. Then we'll cover this and allow it to rest overnight. So moving on to the next day, let us prepare our bourbon glaze. So here I'll be using some pineapple juice, brown sugar. I have my bourbon whiskey here. You can use any kind that you like. I have some honey as well as some pureed pineapples. I also have some soy sauce and some chili paste. You can use chili powder if you like. I have some apple cider vinegar, some grated garlic and ginger. So to a preheated saucepan, you want to add some butter, allow that to melt. Once it melts, we'll go in with the garlic and ginger. We'll mix well and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'll add the chili paste and allow that to go for about a minute or so. If you're using chili powder, you don't have to add it in now. You can wait and add it with the rest of the ingredients. Once that's mixed in, we will now go in with all the rest of our ingredients. Our pineapple juice, the pineapple puree, we'll add our sugar, our soy sauce, everything we'll add here, and we'll go in with about a 1/4 cup of that bourbon whiskey. You can use any kind that you like I said, and if you want to make this without the alcohol, you can do that as well. We will give this a good stir and allow it to reduce. Once it reduces, it will thicken up, and then you'll turn your heat off and set aside. So today I'll be using my cast iron skillet, and since we won't be flipping the chicken, I will add some of that glaze at the bottom of the skillet. We will coat the skillet well, and then we'll place the chicken in the skillet and we'll cover it with some foil wrap. We'll place it in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour, and then I'll show you all the next step. After about 1 hour, we will glaze our chicken with that yummy glaze that we made. We'll place it back into the oven uncovered for 40 more minutes, basting it every 10 minutes. So this is me basting the chicken for a second time, and if you look closely you will notice I put some foil wrap on the wings of the chicken to prevent it from burning. We will place it back in and we'll baste it one more time, and then we'll allow it to continue cooking for, the additional 10 minutes. And after about 1 hour and 40 minutes, our chicken is finally done. It looks and smells absolutely amazing. This is perfect for the holidays. You place this on your Christmas table and everyone will be wowed. Trust me, I did plate it up with some Christmas rice and some garlic butter green beans. It was a hit, and I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I used down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.